Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device model and Android version so repairs match behavior. Next, reproduce the Play Store block and note the exact error message or code. This tells you whether it's network, account, or app level. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is responsible. Safe mode disables add-on apps, so Play Store should open if an app is guilty. If Play Store works in safe mode, you've isolated the culprit and can move to targeted removal steps. You now remove likely offending apps, uninstalling the most recent or suspicious ones first because they commonly cause conflicts. After each uninstall, clear cache and data for Google Play Store, Google Play Services, and Google Services Framework to remove corrupted state. This resets handshake data. Make sure app permissions, background data, and battery optimization settings allow Play Store to run. Once finished, reboot normally and test the store. If the problem persists, proceed to account and network. You're at the finish line. Remove your Google account from settings and re-add it so authentication tokens refresh, then sign into Play Store and check downloads. If that fails, reset network settings or try a different Wi-Fi or mobile connection to rule out DNS or proxy issues. As a last resort, back up important data and perform a factory reset. This clears persistent corruption. If problems continue after reset, use one troubleshooting tip. Enable USB debugging, capture logs, and consult a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.